Hi everyone, happy new year. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to do a get to know me video tag. I'm going to talk a little bit about myself so you guys can get to know me. I have questions with me which I'm going to respond to. I won't waste much time. Let's get right into the video. So the first question is, what are your full names? My full names are Alice Muwawa Hautanen. Are you named after anyone? Yes, I'm named after my grandmother from my mom's side. Her name is Alice as well. Are you single, in a relationship, or married? I am married. I have been married since last year on the 29th of April. I'm married to a Finnish man. That's where I get the last name Hautanen from. How old are you? I'm 29 years old. How tall are you? I'm 169 centimeters tall. Where do you live and where are you originally from? I live in Turku, Finland. I've been living in Finland since 2013 and I'm originally from Livingstone, Zambia. What did you study in university? So I started back in Zambia, in university in Zambia, and also here in Finland. So in Zambia, I studied at the University of Zambia, and I was in the Humanities and Social Sciences school, where I got my Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration. And then here in Finland, I studied at Tampere University of Applied Sciences. I was in the International Business School and I got my Bachelor of Business Administration and I majored in Green Supply Chain Management. How many languages do you speak? I speak about 5 languages. That's 3 Zambian languages and English and Finnish, but very, very basic Finnish. How many siblings do you have? I have 3 siblings, 2 sisters and 1 brother. What is your favorite pet? Cats. I love cats. I love dogs, but I love cats more. Favorite perfume? That will be, at the moment, will be La Vie est belle by Lancome and also J'adore by Dior. Favorite color, gray and purple. Favorite drink, apple juice. Favorite YouTubers. I have a lot of favorite YouTubers, but I have a lot of favorite YouTubers that I do subscribe to, so I'm going to just name like my top 5. At the moment, my top 5 will be Amber Score, I hope I'm saying that right, Amber Score, Jamie and Nikki, Jackie Aina, Pink Mill, Jenny Jenkins. Favorite series. My favorite series will have to be Friends, Game of Thrones, Vampire Diaries, Walking Dead, the originals. Scary movie or happy ending? Definitely scary movie. What is your favorite movie of all time and why did it speak to you so much? So on this one, I'll have to go with In the Next 3 Days and Law Abiding Citizen. In the next 3 days, I like the fact that the husband stood by his wife throughout the whole trial and case, even if all evidence were pointing that she was guilty of the crime, but the husband believed the wife that she did not do it and helped the wife escape from prison. If you haven't seen it, you guys should see it. It's really nice. I like that movie so much. And then I'll also go with Law Abiding Citizen. With Law Abiding Citizen, I like just the fact that he was able to do a lot of stuff while he was in prison, you know, like break out while he's still in prison and they wouldn't even know like who's doing it, who's helping him, when he was doing it all by himself. I like that movie so much and I do get to watch it like many times. Are you a religious person? Yes, I am. I was born in a Christian family and I've been a Christian ever since. And the last question is, what is your biggest regret in life? I don't really have like one biggest regret in life. I have like a lot of stuff that when I think about it, I do regret. Like, why didn't I do it? Why did I do it? And stuff like that. But I'll say this, when I was young, I remember growing up, I was good at sports. I was so good at sports. I wish I took more time to practice a lot and also to get like motivation from family and friends, you know, like to get serious into it. I'd have been like at the Olympics by now or something, you know, like I'd have been something else, like in sports field or something. But all that just died after primary school, and I do regret that I didn't take much time to do more sport. Like, I wish I continued to do that. I was able to also like walk with my hands down and my legs up and do race a lot. I do try to do that now, but it's not the same anymore, and it's not that easy. But I wish I did practice a lot and I didn't let that go, so I do regret about that. So those were all the questions. I hope you guys got to know a little bit more about me. If you have any more questions you want to ask me, feel free to leave it in the comment box and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.